everyone, my name is Francisca, principal of Francisca Trujillo Interior Design, and I would love to show you this colorful and eclectic apartment we just completed in New York City. One of the things I love most about my job is making my clients happy from the very beginning. And that starts, of course, in the entrance. I decided to keep the terracotta tiles on the floor, but incorporated a bold wallpaper on the ceiling inspired by my client's Persian heritage, and that definitely makes her happy. We color-drenched the walls in this muted crimson that makes you feel like you're in a warm embrace before the release into this open living area. As we walk into the living and dining area, the contrasting yet complementary design styles quickly becomes evident. This dining table is an 18th century Chippendale and it holds center stage. It is actually one of the first pieces we selected for the space. To balance its formality, we introduced these fantastic emerald green Bruno Rey chairs from the 1970s. And every dining area deserves a Versailles-inspired crystal chandelier. There's also an assortment of candle holders, all mismatched, different styles and different colors. And as a colorful backdrop, this painting by my client, one of many we use throughout the home. This large living area is bathed in natural light, but it needed a focal point. This deep red, curved mid-century sofa was the perfect anchor. I love how its shape creates flow and movement. Another thing I love about my job is being able to travel to source products. And here I created a striking mix from European galleries and vintage markets. Just look at these Sanus Italian lady chairs and this fantastic Cordemeijer Cleopatra daybed. To incorporate more fun and color, we custom made these bases for the coffee table and repurposed an old marble slab that the client had. InDesign is all about the details. And speaking of details, my absolute favorite element is this whimsical black and white irregular rug that ties the whole room together. This hallway is a fantastic transition space between the vibrant living area and the calmer bedrooms. With the primary bedroom, I wanted to prove that tranquil doesn't have to mean boring. So here, like the rest of the home, it's all about contrast. An antique Persian rug grounds the space, adding warmth and texture. And the bed is upholstered in this bold, modern black and white pattern. Flanking the bed, we have these handsome Italian mid-century style nightstands. And for a pop of color, this cobalt blue linen dresser. And here I use this mid-century Peretti Alki chair. It serves as both an accent and a casual resting spot, or a very stylish place to throw your stylish clothes. There's something poetic about how each piece in this home interacts, forming a dialogue between past and present, structure and surprise, all bathed in a vibrant spirit. And that to me is a job well done. Gracias. See you next time.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.